Well, hello everyone. Today we are here to make AI agentic programming. Learn about AI agentic programming without using cloud API credits. Yes, all local, all agentic, all AI models running from your system. You will use some editor for coding, right? Either Cursor or VS Code. So we'll be using VS Code and we'll be using Kilo Code plugin along with that. The normal method is even if you use VS Code, then you get models free such as Codex that you can run from cloud and do your coding with the help of Codex. After some time, they are gonna charge you money. So we don't want that, okay? We want local models, local AI models. So we'll use llama.cpp 2.5-Coder 40 million model is something we'll try today. And I have Gemma already installed. We will try that also. This is what will follow. We'll use editor and we'll use local model for agentic programming, not the cloud one. First of all, I'll download my model. So this is the model that I have chosen right now for now. Also I have Gemma4 E4B already from the previous tutorial. If you've seen that, it's 8.99 GB. So I'm using my gaming desktop here. It has 12 GB of VRAM RTX 5070. So that should handle this AI model very fine. You'll have to wait some time for this download to complete. As the download is now completed of Qwen 14 billion, I'll try to run. I'll use full offloading. Number of GPU layers is 999 and I'll use a context size of 8K 8192 and I'll host it so that I can I can test it from my browser also first. So let me just open my browser. Let me check the utilization first. So in a different terminal I will NVIDIA. So this is the utilization. Around 11.1 GB is being used from 12.2 gigs of graphics card. 6% is being used. Let me open up a new tab. Host 80. So it's running. You can see this is running, and the coder model that we have here is Qwen2.5-Coder. So I'll try to write and check the speed. 61 token per second is okay, good. It's giving me the reply pretty fast. It's okay. 97% is being used. 192 watt out of 250 watt TDP. 99%, 11.6. It's completed now, and so it is done here. Looks good, sleek, but the animation is not so good. It's worse than the Gemma model that I used earlier. So we can test it with Gemma also. The same code. Let's say I'll just stop this process here. I'll try to load Gemma, not Qwen2.5-Coder but Gemma. I must have it written somewhere above. This is with projection. I don't want with projector. This is Gemma, right? E4B, Gemma4 E4B. Let me run this. Let me reload this now. Qwen2.5, yeah. Now it's Gemma, 16K tokens. Let me check that same command with Gemma and let me check the output. So I'll check the usage. It's around 95%, 161 watt out of 250 watt, and it's giving me the reply pretty fine. So let's have a competition here right now. Mind the context that I was using in Qwen2.5-Coder was 8K, but context that I'm using in Gemma E4B is obviously 16K. So let's check. Not exactly burning candle, how the burning candle would look, but it's better than the Qwen2.5-Coder. So we'll use both these models now. Do not have any editor right now, so I'll install an editor. Let's say from Snap. I'll install VS Code package. Okay, so install this. You have to install VS Code. We'll be using this VS Code editor to connect using KiloCode to our model. Okay, I have completed the download, so I'll open make it yours. Dark 2026 is okay. Plan, I'll choose agent and get started here. Okay, so this is Visual Studio Code. I'll add, you can open a folder. Let us create a folder of a test project that we'll have. Let's create a folder of I'll make a Django car game, let's say. Okay, cool. Now I'll open this folder here in my dev directory, Django car game. Yeah, so we'll do our stuff here. Yes, I trust, whatever. I'll do all my stuff here. This is empty right now, so I'll install KiloCode now for usage. So I'll search in the marketplace. So I got, this is the extension that I need, and you do have an agent, chat agent here, build with agent. You can use Codex also. You can sign in using your account to use that. Let's leave that. We'll install KiloCode now. Will not use the cloud, so I'm not signing in to my GitHub account or any account at VS Code for that matter. So I will not connect to the cloud anyhow, right? So I've got KiloCode now. So here once you go to KiloCode extension on the side, we have a settings here. We'll have to open up the settings, and so that we can connect our model here, right? So if you see here, we have the options of code, ask, debug and stuff, and here we have auto models. KiloCode also gives you auto models, and you can sign in and use their models, but then again you'll be paying hefty sum of money after some times, and that is not what we are focusing right now. Okay, so we'll go to maybe providers. Yeah, so here you can see we have a custom provider, add an OpenAI-compatible provider, Face URL. So I'll click on connect here. What's my base URL? My base URL is the same URL with v1 at the end. So just a second. Localhost 8080 with v1 at the end. Optional leave if you manage author headers. You don't need an API key here. So if you scroll down, you can see Gemma is auto detected already. It's because I'm running this model in the terminal. It's already showing in here. So I can just click and add it here. So Gemma model here. And if I submit here, use lowercase letter, sorry, Gemma4, let's say only Gemma, and I'll submit it here, and Gemma E4B is now connected. So if I go in here on the left hand side, and I'll scroll down all the way down at the end. So here you can see Gemma E4B is the model name we gave, and this is the model file for llama. You can select this now. Wow, and let me test it. Hi, considering next steps. It's just a user side. So I'm getting the reply here, right? It's a thinking, how can I assist with your software engineering tasks? So if you can check its utilization, it's already gone down, but here you can see tokens have been sent. And utilization is also 37 watt. You can see it's 5%. So let's check once again by saying it. Rather, what you can do is you can use this agent here for free and write a readme.md file and give it to this location here, so that it can write the program very properly. Will not do that right now, but that you can do. Or let me show you the better way that I would do. Like go to ChatGPT and let's say I'll copy this and I'll paste it here instead of pasting anything else. I'll paste it here, and let me check at the top. Yeah, use this prompt. Yep. If I'll send it, you can see it's thinking, and it's thinking through this local model. I can now see that the utilization has increased around 97% and around 170 watt TDP. It's 5.5 gigs of RTX here, and it's model Gemma model. You can see the tokens being used and budgeted for here, so it's running well, and it's giving around 110 tokens per second TS speed, which is good. Okay, now there is something. The model hit its output limit while reasoning and produced no actionable output. Try disabling reasoning or increase the output limit. Okay, so now let me increase the output limit for this model. Instead of 16,384, increase it to 32,768. So I'm increasing the context size of E4B. Context size has increased. I think I can go beyond 32K also, but continue. Okay, so 16K. Okay, it's not yet changed, but let's see what can be done. It is using it, and I'm getting around 105 TS speed. Okay, utilization is there. I can still have more utilization, so I can get a higher context size than what I'm using right now. So let it continue for now. This is anyhow, the base idea is successful right now. You are able to run AI agent for programming using your local AI model inside VS Code. You also have the online agent side on the right. You can use Codex also, and then switch between those as and when needed. Let's say after this I can test 65K context, 536 context once this is over. Right now, let's say it's around 18K context. 18K context have been used right now. Still making edits, and you can see that the structural setup model views basic template. These are the steps that it's making. I need to create this and that, blah blah blah. And if you go to the project folder, let's go to my development folder. This is the Django car game that we made, and you can see the project file. This is a Django project structure. It's able to do something. It's also making a readme.md file, which is very good, so that it can follow it and review code based changes. Okay, review. I clicked on review. Okay, 28K tokens have been used right now. 558 token size. So again, to run the project, execute the steps detailed in setup instruction.md. so it has made an instruction file as well. Let me increase the size for you. Sorry for not increasing it earlier. So you see, these are the setup instruction, and again you got this thinking window and editing window, and that continues. So the basic POC is completed, where you can add your model here. Custom model, I have added Gemma. You can add other models also, and then you can change the context sizes as required for your own development. If you choose smaller models, you can have more context. Bigger model, smaller context. You'll have to check the balance based on your VRAM that you have. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please like, share the videos, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Till then, tada, bye bye, take care and peace.